Good evening, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today we're doing more Excel, and we're going to show you how to write equations, how to write formulas. This video specifically is how to subtract in Excel. Let's get started. Okay, so obviously to subtract you've got to have some values in here. I've already got some values from the last video I made, and I've made a column to put equations in just as an example. This is a super simple equation. It's just subtracting. So all we're going to do is we're going to go equals, that's what you do for any formula, parentheses, and then select the first value that you would like to subtract from, then put minus, and then select the second value, and close the parentheses, hit enter. You can do that with any cells, any values. You can do it between multiple worksheets, but that is how you do it. One more time. Equals, select the value, subtract from the other value that you'd like to subtract from, close it with a parentheses, hit enter. Oops, I forgot a parentheses on the front end, hit enter. Nope. 2 minus 200 is negative 198. Little hack, let's say I wanted to subtract all the way down the line. I wanted to subtract this column from that column. I can select the first equation, command copy, and I can paste. I can paste it all the way down, okay? Or select them all. Oops, select them all. Command C, command V to paste. Or different way of doing it is I can select the first one, hover over the bottom right corner and double click, and that will fill it in. So that is how you subtract in Excel. Go play with it, have some fun, and check out some more tutorials on how to use Excel from Teach Mom How. Have a great day.